Hey,
Doing,
Val.
Ange?
Hey, buddy, how are you?
Good, man. You all right?
Yeah, good to see you.
What are you doing around here?
You know, I was just visiting a friend of mine. I didn't know you lived in the area.
Yeah, we've been here for a long time.
Oh,
What are you
wow.
doing? Yeah.
Well, listen, how's the audience? How's the business going with the agency? Going well?
It's going great. We just became AOR for North Georgia Honda Dealers. Just got that last week.
Hey, congratulations.
It's a big deal. Yeah, it's a
Can't
big
think
deal.
of a better brand, my friend.
Well, we like it. It's competitive, but it'll be great.
Well, you know, I just took a new position. I'm with JumpTap now.
Heard of you guys. Is it mobile something, marketing or something? What do you
Actually,
guys do?
it's a unified audience platform. We
Yeah.
reach about 218 million uniques every month.
Right.
And you might say that we understand audiences, not just clicks. And the reason for that is because we utilize third-party data providers.
Yeah.
So for you, we could utilize Polk, and we could identify Honda owners, or we could identify Toyota owners, and you could actually conquest these people directly on their phone. Or we could also reach them at their home when they're on their PC
Yeah,
or
sure.
desktop.
Yeah, sure.
We have a cross-screen opportunity as well. So it's great for you because we could actually reach people that actually own cars or actually own your competitive cars, and then reach them a variety of
Love it.
different ways. In fact, one of the best opportunities is maybe some, rich media. So we could actually create a carousel of their cars or the interiors, and also have a locator for the local dealer. So why don't we get together next week, have lunch,
Awesome, man.
and I'll
Love it.
go
Yep.
over everything with you.
Mobile's where it's at.
All right, good to see you, buddy.
Thanks, man.
All right, enjoy
Appreciate
the
it.
day. Bye-bye.
Absolutely. Bye.